Hey everyone, it's Brennan the Paleo Dude here with another video. So this is like another one of my toy haul updates, though I only got this and some little goldfish that I found cute. But what?
It was a seance.
The candle wax.
Oh yo, it's a pentagram. Yo, that's a good video idea. I'm gonna try doing that with the Creationist dinosaur book. With candles.
So you done your review?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Anyways, besides that, well, interrupted my amazing video.
Sorry.
No, it's okay. It's not like it was off to a good start anyways.
Start over.
Oh, look, some geese. Oh, okay, I'm getting off topic. So anyways, I found this Mosasaurus at a small toy store in Granville Island, which is in Vancouver. It's like beautiful place on the water, really nice. And I actually haven't seen this guy yet at Toy Traders in Langley, and I, like everyone else, found this figure to be really ugly, really bad mold, bad sculpt, bad pose, bad color. Just all around bad, right? But when I saw it in person, it was huge, like absolutely ginormous. Like, look at that. I have to make it go all the way out to, see it on screen. But yeah, it's huge. It was $30, which is quite pricey, but I bought it anyways because I actually like it. There's something about it that has grown on me. Ew, what's that? Gross, it's like underwater bleh, vomit. Anyways. Wow, lots of geese poop. So something, I don't know, I like the head size. It's not too big. The neck's pretty long, and I don't know, I just like there's something about it. It gives that sort of Jurassic World vibe with the scales and the spikes on the back. And just overall, it gives that like old-fashioned vibe, right? And the weird positioning of the body and the length of the tail, everything about it just kind of, that's off, kind of speaks to me. I don't know, I like it for that. So I decided to get it, and I haven't gotten the plesiosaur yet, so I'm definitely going to pick that one up too, and hopefully maybe I could do a review with both of them. They'll definitely look good in a diorama together. If I ever do another tank down the road. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little update video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.